Credit scores explained with bones. What are credit scores? Dog uses bones to buy food. Dog eats food. Life good. But one day dog wants more food. Problem. Dog no have enough bones. So dog goes to dog bank. Dog asks to borrow bones. Dog bank says, maybe. Dog confused. Why maybe? Because dog bank does not trust every dog. Some dogs borrow bones and never give bones back. Very rude behavior. So dog banks create something called a credit score. A credit score is basically a number that tells dog bank if dog is responsible or if dog is financially feral. Higher number means dog usually pays back bones on time. Lower number means dog probably eats drywall. How do credit scores work? Every time dog borrows bones and pays them back properly, dog score goes up a little. Dog bank happy, dog looks trustworthy, but if dog forgets payments, misses payments, or borrows too many bones, dog score goes down. Dog bank nervous. Dog can also hurt score by applying for too many bone cards at once, because when dog suddenly asks every bank for bones, banks start thinking, why this dog so desperate? What happened? Did dog discover gambling? There are a few main things that affect dog credit score. Payment history, this is the biggest one. Dog pay bones back on time? Good dog. Dog miss payments? Bad dog. Amounts owed. If dog already owes huge mountain of bones, banks worry dog cannot handle more bones. Even if dog technically still has some bones left to borrow, banks start sweating. Length of credit history. If dog has responsibly borrowed bones for many years, banks trust dog more. A dog with 10 years of responsible bone behavior looks safer than dog who got first bone card yesterday and immediately bought gaming chair. Credit mix. Banks also like seeing different types of borrowed bones, bone cards, bone loans, house bones, car bones. Apparently banks enjoy variety. New credit. If dog suddenly opens many new bone accounts very quickly, banks think something suspicious happening. Maybe dog preparing for financial disaster. Maybe dog making terrible decisions. Maybe dog bought cryptocurrency. What are good credit scores? In many countries, scores range roughly between 300 and 850. Above 800? Very good dog. Banks love this dog. They see this dog and immediately throw bones at him. 700 to 800? Still good dog. Dog probably gets approved for most things. 600? Banks become cautious. Below 500? Dog bank installs security cameras. Why do credit scores matter? Because almost everything in modern dog society runs on borrowed bones. Dog wants car, credit score. Dog wants house, credit score. Dog wants apartment, landlord checks score. Dog wants lower interest rates, credit score again. Dog cannot escape score. Dog could literally save baby from burning building and bank still says, very heroic, but score only 542. A good credit score helps dog borrow bones cheaper. This is important because when dog borrows bones, dog usually pays interest. Interest means extra bones. Dog borrows 100 bones. Bank charges 10% interest. Now dog owes 110 bones. If dog has bad credit score, banks think dog risky, so banks charge more interest. Now dog owes even more bones. Poor dog enters debt tunnel. Very dark place. How do dogs build good credit? First, dog gets beginner bone card. Dog buys small things, food, gas, one suspiciously expensive squeaky toy. Then dog pays back everything on time. Very important, because carrying huge debt does not make dog look rich. It makes dog look like dog trapped in financial quicksand. Dog should also avoid using too much available credit. This is called credit utilization. For example, dog card allows 1,000 bones. If dog spends 950 bones every month, banks panic a little, even if dog pays eventually. Experts usually say dogs should stay under 30%, so if dog can borrow 1,000 bones, dog should ideally use less than 300. But many dogs ignore this advice completely. Then one emergency happens. Now dog maxed out, now dog stressed, now dog watching how to escape debt videos at 3 a.m. Can dogs survive with bad credit? Yes, but life becomes harder. Banks charge more interest. Apartments become harder to get. Loans become more expensive. Sometimes dog even needs larger deposits for simple things. Bad credit slowly drains bones from dog over time. This is why rich dogs often protect credit score very carefully, because good credit lets rich dogs borrow massive amounts of bones cheaply. Then they use borrowed bones to make even more bones. Meanwhile, poor dog borrowing at terrible rates just trying to survive. Financial system kinda weird when dog thinks about it too long. Can dogs improve bad credit? Yes, but takes time. Dog pays everything on time. Dog reduces debt. Dog stops opening random bone accounts. Dog becomes financially disciplined. Very annoying process, honestly, but slowly score improves. Banks begin trusting dog again. Dog feels powerful. Dog suddenly checking score every week like it's stock market. At the end of the day, credit score is basically reputation, except instead of neighbors gossiping about dog, giant corporations gossip about dog. And unfortunately, corporations remember everything, so dogs should remember credit cards are not free bones, loans are not magic. And just because bank approves dog for giant pile of bones does not mean dog should take giant pile of bones, because future dog still has to pay for present dog stupidity. Thanks for watching.